That's Koldik.
This is Kai Kirsch.
He's a skier and a biker.
He's a snowboarder and a biker.
You're sponsored by
Spy Optics, life-proof phone cases, in-case protection for electronics, Maximus tires, and Proteus, Zonic. I think that's all.
Cole sponsors me because I'm his cameraman.
Yeah. And I guess we vlog now.
We are going to make videos about skiing, snowboarding, BMX, and scootering.
So every week we will come out with a new vlog, and we'll have videos of us biking, scootering, and skiing, and snowboarding.
There'll also be a little bit of us talking and explaining what's going on and how-tos and stuff like that.
Shout out to all my YouTube friends.
Okay, so we just got our Safeway, our donuts. This is vlog 1.
We got a snack up for our trip that we're going to have.
And as you see here, dude, we got to go on the bus free. It was an amazing experience. First, just practice here and just hop 360. Okay? And so once you get that down, it's harder once you're jumping. Keep your body fine and spread your arms out. Okay, now have to